Friends, welcome back to my channel School of Data Analytics. Today I will explain you what is data analytics and how can you use the community version of that. So data analytics is nothing but an enterprise AI cloud data platform that is particularly helpful for deploying advanced data science project, so which use artificial intelligence, machine learning and all. So why Databricks is so powerful and useful is, right, it was founded by the founders of Apache Spark. Okay, so the core of Databricks is Apache Spark, which is an open source big data processing engine. So Databricks you can use for your Apache Spark related work, processing big data. You can use the notebooks for your day-to-day Python program. Same times you can do the data analysis and some of the AI ML work. So when you plan to use community edition, which means if you don't have any login to any of the cloud service provided, maybe it's a GCP or Azure or AWS, right? Just log into community.cloud.databricks.com. Fine. So once you logged in, you will come to this type of page. So for the first time, you need to do the sign up. So when you do the sign up, the page comes like this. So here also they have given, right, the trial version, what the things can be done. So what you do is, right, like maybe in this case something, right, you can put it your first name, last name, your company something, let's say provided some email ID like this, your title, and try to get started for free. Okay, so please don't click on any of the cloud service provided, whatever mentioned here. Just click on this get started with community edition. Is that fine? Okay, so when you click on this, something will come like this, the check your email to start your trial. So you go to your email, click on the validation, set a password, and come back again to this community.cloud.databricks.com and give your email ID. In this case I am just giving my email ID. So when I sign in, something I will come to the page like this, and the most important part is this plus sign. When you click on this plus sign, which is a create button, you can see notebook, a table, a cluster. The first and foremost stuff is you need to create a cluster. Cluster is something where your code will run. So what you do is you can give any of your cluster name. For example, let's say I give test cluster. Try to use an ML version, which is machine learning. Any of the version you can do, and right, already I have test cluster, so I just give test cluster 1. In fact, I have created already the cluster. That said, this create cluster is not enabled. So the moment, right, like so the cluster is still active. So if, when I go to the notebook, right, if I give a notebook name, let's say anything, test 1. Okay, so you can see, right, this cluster is already available, test cluster. When you go and create for your first time, you give any name, that cluster will create, and the cluster creation will take sometimes at least 5 minutes. So this is your notebook where you can do your Spark related work, you can do your analysis related work, you can simple Python program also you can do. Let's see if I can do, right, and you can execute your stuff. Let's say equal to 3, b equal to 5, a plus b. I execute, I go here, run this cell, I can give the output 8. Similarly, here you can write a complex program, you can write a program related to Panda, NumPy, any machine learning program, and you can get your output. So this is a very basic of this community.cloud.databricks.com. So hope you like this video. Next video I can explain you on how to use Apache Spark core and the SQL version and some of the machine learning stuff. Thank you.